When you log into Moodle, you'll always be brought to the dashboard page. So here you'll see your name, your picture, and this page here. Right now we have a video up about Moodle messaging. This may change from time to time, and a little message that goes with the video. It does tell students that they can access the student orientation course. You may want to notify your students to check this out. You may want to check it out yourself. It has a lot of instructional videos for them and other things they should know. As you scroll down, you'll see a course overview. So currently, I'm on courses. If you have any courses that are in progress, which means the dates are set for this current period in time, they'll show up in here. If you have any that are set up for maybe next week, 3 weeks from now, however, they'll show up in this area. And then if you have any past, so they're already closed. So you can see this here. So if for some reason you log in here and you don't see your courses, make sure you click through these just in case they show up in another one. Under timeline, we'll kind of list if you have anything due, which would probably only come for you for the instructor procedures course. Other things about this dashboard page is you see some other navigations. So site home, you'll again see your courses. You'll also see a list of all the other courses that we are offering. You can click in them and see the courses, but you can't actually go into the course because you're not enrolled. There's also a private files, so you can upload files in here to keep in Moodle. That's up to you if you really want to do that. This My Courses isn't a link, but as you have courses that are in progress, they'll show up here. We're going to go back to Dashboard. Now on the right, you'll see online users. So this will show you who's been on the last 5 minutes. You can actually click on this and message people. So like if I was on there, you could send me a message if some of your students. There's a calendar, so you can kind of hover over and see what's going on. Upcoming events, so these are things that are in your courses or maybe a course that you're enrolled in. And here there's a private file, so if you had uploaded private files, you could see them there. Another thing to know is, again, here's your name, your profile picture, and this caret. If you click that down, you can also access the dashboard, your profile, grades, messaging, preferences, and you can log out. Keep in mind that if you're on a public computer, you should always log out. You can also access your messages through this box here. When you have a new message, it will pop up with a little red icon and some notifications. You may have noticed this 3 bars right here. This will actually hide this section so you get more room. And again, you can click it to open it, but also keep in mind you have a lot of your settings right here for your dashboard. And if you can't ever remember where you are, you can always click the PMCC. It will also bring you back to your dashboard.